Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here from letsmealprep.com with lunch today. And this is a veggie black bean, zucchini, and rice skillet. It's beautiful. You can make this in one skillet, real easy. Once you chop up all your veggies, which really is just zucchini and onions, you can throw it all in the pan with some fire roasted tomatoes, corn, black beans. You throw the rice in there as well. Let it all cook up and simmer, and it's beautiful. It's got carbs, some protein with the black beans. I'm gonna up that protein a little bit with some Greek yogurt, and of course add my favorite hot sauce. Today it's gonna be Cholula. I have a different one for every day, I feel like. Coming out in the app this Thursday, team. Hope you love it. Have an amazing day. All right, take care.